Don't ignore strange noise in your gearbox. Grinding and whining noise is telling you your gearbox needs attention. The best thing to do is to check it in time and solve that problem immediately. When you are hearing any noise from your gearbox, don't wait to do it later. Make sure you repair the gearbox immediately in order for you to avoid the complete breakdown of the gearbox. This will save you a lot of money. Olatunde Fadaro is my name from Way Out Automobile. Like, follow, and share for more tips like this. See you, stay informed, and bye.